Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're testing out another eyeshadow palette, and as you already know, we are testing out the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I must admit, when I saw this got released, I wasn't too sure about it, but I got it anyway because I have full trust in Urban Decay. I love all their other naked palettes. I ended up creating this makeup look using the Naked Cherry palette, and if you would like to see what I thought about it and also how I created this look using it, then make sure to keep on watching. So I'm going to get into this palette. I'm just going to throw this in really quickly because I do not want to bore you, but I'm currently in Florida when you're watching this video. If you want to see what I get up to in Florida, make sure you're following my Instagram because I'll be posting on my stories, basically like vlogging. I don't know if I'm going to vlog or just stick to my Instagram story, so we'll see how that goes. But if you want to know what I'm up to, because I'm obviously going to be buying makeup out there, I'll have my name up here and it will also be linked in the description down below. But we're going to get into this palette because I don't want to bore you with that. So first of all, this is the packaging, and I'm pretty sure the palette itself looks like this inside, and then on the back it has a little bit about the palette and obviously the ingredients and everything. I'm scared I'm going to drop it. Ta-da! Oh, that is pretty. But I don't know if you can see the packaging because it's quite shiny and my lights are quite bright. But you have cherries all in the background and they're all like metallic-y shades. I don't know if they all represent a colour that's inside. I actually think they do. Oh no! So one of my eyeshadows is broken. I've never had that before. Okay. Apart from that, the palette is really cute. This one here has broken, but it's not shattered because it's metallic and they're normally quite creamy, so I can just like push it back. But here is the palette. I am pleasantly surprised, to be honest. Do not have a palette like this colour wise, so that is perfect. You get a double-ended brush in this like you do with all of the Urban Decay Naked palettes. So the first eyeshadow is called Hotspot, and it's that standard nude. Next we have Caution, and it is honestly a beige. I really don't like that word because I feel like it's very plain and bland. The next shade is Bang Bang, and it's this gorgeous, oh, the reflect is amazing. It's this pink metallic eyeshadow. It's quite light pink, but the reflect. Next we have Feels. Oh, that is weird because it's called Feels and it feels really soft and really nice. Oh, she is pigmented. Next we have Juicy, which is this gorgeous peach shade. Next we have Turn On. Oh, hello. Amazing rose gold. These colours are really pretty. Like, I did not think they would swatch like this. I'm really impressed. So next we have Ambitious, and oh my goodness. Oh no. I had a look in mind for this palette, but now I've swatched it, I need to use this shadow. Next we have Bing. This is really pretty purple shade. Every time I see a colour like this, I just go, oh, it's a Barney purple. I'm really liking these colours. Then we have Devilish. But this is a really pretty kind of purpley burgundy shade. Next we have Young Love, which was that shadow that broke in my palette. Oh, that is so pretty. Excuse me. Wow. That Young Love shade is incredible. It's this gorgeous metallic pink. And then we've got Drunk Dial Deep Dark Brown eyeshadow with a pink reflect. And it is stunning. So the last shadow we have is Privacy. And I'm not going to lie, I felt something a bit off at the beginning with this eyeshadow because the moment I put my finger in it and was like ready to swatch it, it felt dry, and then when I swatched it on my arm, it's really not that pigmented. So that is all the eyeshadows, and now we need to get into the makeup. I'm going to try and use as many eyeshadows as I can in this palette. I'm going to start off by putting concealer all over my lids and blending it out with a beauty blender. First eyeshadow I'm going to be using is Hotspot right here, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer on my eyes. I'm going to go into the colour Juicy, and that's that peachy shade, and I've got that on a blending brush. This one's by MAC, and I'm just going to blend this into the crease. This is really pretty, but it's super natural. So I just went into Juicy, which is here, and now I'm going to go into Feels, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. So I'm going to go into Bing, which I said is that Barney purple shade, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. So what I've decided to do is wing it out, so I need some tape. I've got some tape so I can get some sharp edges in here. So I'm going to go back into that Bing shade again, and now I'm going to like concentrate it more on the outer corner to get that line, that sharp wing line along the tape. I've now got my Luxie small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to be using Devilish, but I'm going to put that on the outer corner and bring it up on the wing that's by the tape. I'm going to go into that Devilish shade and put that throughout the whole of the crease, not just the outer corner. So when I do that cut crease, there's like a defined line there. It goes quite dark. I'm now gonna cut my crease with some concealer. So as you can see, I've really kept this open here because I want to put some metallic in there. I really like the metallic colours in this. I'm gonna go straight into Bang Bang, which is this gorgeous light pink glitter, and I'm going to put that over the concealer on the inner corner of this eye. Now I'm going to go into that Turn On eyeshadow, which is that like perfect rose gold, even though in the palette it really does not look rose gold. But I'm going to put that in the centre of this cut crease now and kind of drag it into that Bang Bang shade that we'd put down. I'm now going to go into Ambitious, which is my favourite eyeshadow in this palette, and I'm going to put that on the kind of outer corner, but I'm not bringing it to the tape yet. It's just this kind of area in that cut crease that I haven't filled yet. Drunk Dial, which is the shade right here. So I'm going to use this brush that I was talking about in my last video about how it's my favourite, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner. So I'm now going to go into Privacy on this really tiny kind of like eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to go over this, the line by my cut crease, just to make the line of the cut crease stand out a lot more. So I'm now going to take this tape off. I'm going to get a makeup wipe and clear up all the fallout and tidy up them lines, do my foundation and be right back. So I am back after doing my foundation and contour and all that jazz, but I'm going to go and do the bottom lash line, and I'm going to start with that Drunk Dial shade, that dark brown with a pink shift in it. At first I'm just going to place it. I'm going to be using this little brush here. I'm just going to be placing it on the outer corner. I'm just bringing it in kind of like halfway. I'm now going to go into Ambitious, which is this, my favourite shade on here, this shade, and I'm going to put that in the centre of the bottom lash line. And then to put in the inner corner of that bottom lash line, I'm going to be using Bang Bang, which is that pink metallic shade that we used on just above the eye. So I put eyelashes on, but I want to put some on the bottom lash line. I said this in a previous video, but I have a little like Tupperware thing here with eyelashes that I don't know what they are, so I put them in here. Also, if I do know where they are, I just put the little name above them and just things like that, so I don't have boxes of eyelashes. But in one of them, if I collect all the little bits of eyelashes, so if I have a strip of eyelashes and they're too long, all the bits that are on the end of the eyelashes that I trim off, I keep so I can use for like bottom lashes. I know you can buy some, but so I think this looks really cute, but now I've done this, I think my top lashes are not big enough, so I'm going to take them off. I decided I wanted the top eyes to be like the top lashes to be kind of like doll-like as well, and I didn't have any eyelashes like that, so I just created my own. I've never actually done that before. Let me know what you think. They're very like drag style, what I absolutely love. So let me know what you think about it. This lipstick is by Rimmel and it is in the shade 16. I like this colour. I was just like roughly putting it on just to see if I liked it with the look, and I really do, but I need to line my lips. I know this is very backwards, but what I gotta do. The lip liner I'm going to be using is the Collection Lip Definer in One Nude Pink. I'm really going to make it pouty, so I'm going to really overline my lips in the centre and then kind of leave it normal on the outer. It's really cute, I love it. Very pleasantly surprised. The colours are a lot nicer swatching and actually on the eye than they look in the palette. Like, they're pretty in the palette, but they're not like groundbreaking. But when I swatched them and put them on the eye, I was like, Oh, let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments down below, and if you like this video then make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me and my channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye 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 bye.